Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a ground up restored genuine 57 Chevy Bel Air. And it's got some giddy up and go, 410 horsepower, upgraded disc brakes. But yeah, it's got heated power seats with lumbar adjust, air condition. That's a 6-speed on the floor. So it's got a little muscle, it's got a little luxury. Beautiful car. If you go to volocars.com, you can study over 100 pictures. You can read all the specs, and you can find the price. That's where you find the prices for all of the collector cars we sell. It's at our website, volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that little bell icon, and that way you're notified as the new ones are posted. Right now though, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. Yeah, underneath the car has all been redone. The front end looks like it's all rebuilt. Shocks, springs, polyurethane bushings, even the nuts and bolts and cotter pins look like they've all been replaced. It has custom sway bars front and back. The rear suspension was redone too. It still has the leaf springs, but they were replaced. New bushings, new shocks. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. The starter looks clean. Has a 6-speed Tremec transmission. He says it'll do 1,800 RPMs at 80 miles an hour on the highway. So this is out of the hole. You can rip through them gears, and you want to go cruise, you just click it into 5th or 6th gear, and you're just gliding down the road. It's got a custom aluminum drive shaft. In back, they're 373 gears with race axles. So 373, first and second gear, you're still going to have fun at the stoplights. The fuel system was replaced, including the tank. Disc brakes at all 4 wheels, drilled and slotted rotors. The e-brake is hooked up. It's got a pipes exhaust system. It's a stainless steel exhaust system. It has the X pipe, 2.5 inch, goes all the way out the back. So underneath the car is really good. I don't think I was forgetting anything. The floors, I keep forgetting to talk about the floors. They look to be really nice. Now on our website, you can enlarge the pictures and look for yourself. The inner rockers, the braces, the floors themselves are just really nice. I think in the middle I found one perfectly square patch. They might have cut it out and welded in a new piece, but the floors look really nice and dry. They did replace the bushings between the frame and the floors as well. Now the body is slick. Nice deep red finish. It's smooth and glossy. Lines up nice, smooth down here. You can see they took off the door handles, opens by remote, or there's a button underneath the car. But all of this is really sharp. The roof is a little wavy. I like to disclose everything. Out in the sun, when I took the car in, I never noticed it. But in here, looking across the roof, it's a little wavy. But I don't see that on the car. Maybe whoever painted it was short and just didn't spend the time up there. All this is straight. Gaps are real nice. The chrome was all replaced, but it's got a little wear on it. With these bright lights hitting it, you can see little, like if a spider web was on, just little fine, thin lines. All this was replaced. And for those that don't know, there's where you fill the gas. It's all shiny. It's all beautiful. Got all the Bel Air trim. It is a real Bel Air. It's right in the VIN number. All this trim is shiny. This trim is shiny. The rubber gasket's soft. It's all smoked glass all the way around. All this trim is all real nice. Nice rubber gasket here. New windshield. This is sparkling here. This is all real nice. It's just dirt. Up front here, the bezels, same thing like the back. This chrome is a 7 out of 10. It's straight and shiny, not brand new. The rockets are nice and shiny. Oh, hood opens real easy. So what we got is a 350 Chevy motor, and it has a 410 horsepower Edelbrock kit. So it's got a performance cam, it's got roller valve train, aluminum heads. Because of the performance cam, it does have a vacuum reservoir because the performance cams don't produce a lot of vacuum, and you'll need it for the power brakes, which it has, and it has power steering, and it has a new heat and air conditioning system. They're power windows. All 4 of them are power, front and back. Trunk compartment's real nice. Got a third brake light in the window there and some 6x9 speakers. So this is all upholstered and boxed, and you got a spare, you got a battery. It looks like with a battery tender. There's a jack. They made it their own bag for the jack. Some of this is kind of wrinkled and pulled out. Probably the photographer had it apart. But real nice finished trunk compartment. New weather strip, painted nice. There's 4 buttons here. That's the other side. Here we go. Got a little spring action here that pops it open. So inside's really nice. The bucket seats recline. They're 8-way power. They're heated and they got lumbar. Now the back seat's upholstered to match and they fold down flat and the back of it's carpeted. So I guess if you ever wanted to put your golf clubs back there or something, you have that option. Back in the motor here, it's got aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb, HEI ignition, headers, nice matched set of valve covers, breathers, and air cleaner. Got an aluminum radiator, aluminum polished water pump, all stainless steel radiator hoses and heater hoses. Has a polished overflow bottle. Has new horns. Bottom of the hood is painted slick gloss black. The engine red. The engine compartment is painted black. It's nice. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not as slick as bottom of the hood. Fuel pump looks new. It's got retractable shoulder belts, tan. The door jambs are painted up real nice. Got billet armrest and vent window crank. And the wheels, I think they're Boyd Coddington wheels with G-Force performance tires. Digital dash, polished tilt column with a leather gripped wheel, and it's a nice soft leather grip. It's got a console in the middle, which is not a big deal, but that's where you put your coffee. Stereo system. All the metal in here is painted up real nice like the outside. Headliner, visors, the welting around the door opening, all that's replaced. It has kick panel speakers with tweeters. Nice carpet with bound edges, matching Bel Air floor mats. The heater control panel looks original, but it's actually brand new and it's hooked up to the air conditioning system. It has billet pedals, interior lights work, and you got a 6-speed shifter sticking out of the floor. Chrome plated the glove box door. Got one of those hidden antennas in the car. I noticed they took the V off the trunk and the hood, just giving it a cleaner look. So it's a really nice car inside and out. I mean, how can you go wrong with a lipstick red 57 Bel Air? It's got all the luxury you want, and yet it's got a 6-speed with a posi and a 410 horsepower motor, so you can still have some fun. We're not too old to have some fun once in a while too, are we? That's my impression of this one right here. You can go to volocars.com. You can read all the specs, study the pictures like I had said. But if you have questions, there's plenty of ways to reach out to the salesman. They'll answer your questions. They can help get this delivered anywhere. They can help get you financed. VoloCars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, why haven't you subscribed to our YouTube channel? You just click on that bell icon and you'll be notified every time a new one's posted. Thanks for watching.